Cadflix is ultimate video platform for all professional engineers. There are manuals and trainings for all modules and licenses for BricsCAD, Lite, Pro, Mechanical, and BIM. Join our family, upgrade your plan and explore all new possibilities. BricsCAD Lite is powerful and affordable 2D drafting software. 2D drafting module offers unique tools to help you get more work done faster. Many of them are powered by advanced machine learning technologies to accelerate tasks that can take hours or more by manual methods. There are many training rooms, where you can explore all the commands and you can improve your skills. There's no need to change your printers, templates, blocks or sheet set layouts to move to BricsCAD, they are 100% compatible. Command names, aliases, and system variables are the same in BricsCAD and AutoCAD. BricsCAD Pro includes 3D modeling module, and offers intuitive direct modeling functionality for editing solid and surface geometry. Direct modeling operations are interactive and changes to the model display dynamically as you move your mouse. You can use direct modeling operations on all solids, whether you create them in BricsCAD or import them from other modeling applications. It is modern software for 2D drawing and 3D modeling, supporting hundreds of third-party applications. There are many detailed step-by-step tutorials that you can try to master your skills in the field of solid, surface, mesh, civil design, point cloud and many more. BricsCAD Mechanical provides advanced design tools that allow you to create or edit complex hierarchies of parts and subassemblies using the full power of direct modeling. With 3D direct modeling you can create any shape easily. Free from the limitations of history-based systems, BricsCAD's direct modeler treats native and imported geometry the same way. If you're an engineer who is used to working in 2D, it is much easier to start working in 3D with BricsCAD than with any other tool, because you can just follow the same intuitive pattern. Mechanical unlock the features that help you create sheet metal part designs that are resilient and deeply editable with the full power and freedom of direct modeling, while the consistency of each feature, flanges, bends, reliefs, junctions, is automatically maintained. Create unfolded 2D representations that are connected to the 3D sheet metal part. You can use the unfolding engine to send parts to CAM systems. Use 3D constraints to assemble joints in an assembly. Remaining degrees of freedom can be used to analyze the kinematics of the mechanism. BricsCAD BIM is an information building modeling software powered by AI that provides one comprehensive BIM workflow for design, construction documentation, and manufactured construction products. The accuracy of BricsCAD BIM offers new horizons for manufacturers of building products. Custom components can be designed and shared as assemblies, for use within the BIM or on the shop floor for fabrication. Increase your model's level of detail by adding information, and duplicating it at any or all matching instances across your BIM, automatically. The Propagate workflow in BricsCAD BIM can be used to replicate architectural and structural details across an entire BIM. Details can be automatically parameterized, then stored, managed and used from the detail library. Create clear and accurate construction documentation in record time, using the automatic generation of sections, elevations, drawing views and sheet layouts. Adapting to BricsCAD is really easy. You can perform a full migration to BricsCAD in 1 week, as if you never changed your CAD platform. For more information check our website, cadflix.eu. Cadflix. Stay on top.